Very interesting building. So there's one of the elevators. Oh no, that's the stairway. My bad. These, I'm sure, are the elevators. It's a very interesting building. I really like this. I think these are them? Yeah? Here we go. Oh, fuck. God damn it, it's modernized. That's a rip. Oh, wow. Screw everyone on the second floor. They don't get an elevator. This is really cool, though. I'm gonna walk around a little bit more. This is really interesting. Unless, I think that's the only elevator, actually. Yeah, I think that's just another stairway. This is really interesting. This building's something. The elevator's not that cool, but I love this courtyard with like the elevators going up, or the elevators and stairways going up the middle. Although they definitely could have made this glass. What's this say? Just a property meeting. I like this cab. I wonder what it used to be. Probably nothing too crazy, but still. That sounded nice. That's it.